Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about data type in Terraform. So data type refers to the type of a value. Okay, depending on the requirement you can use wide variety of value in Terraform configuration. So if you know Java, Python or any other programming language, so you might aware of data type. Okay, but there are some different use cases and the scenario where we can use data type in Terraform. So you can continue even if you know like data type of Java, Python, but how we can use it, that data type in Terraform, so you can learn from this video. Okay, so the first data type, that is string, number, boolean, list, set, map and null. Okay, so there are some different use case of all the data types that we have here. Okay, so let's understand the use case, then after that we will see the example with the real time. Okay, so first data type is string. So string is mainly used for naming resources. Okay, string are used to define name of the resources like S3 bucket or an EC2 instance. Number, scaling resources. So suppose if you want to like launch 5 or 6 EC2 instance, then you can use number like data type. Okay, and you can also use with the EVS volume. Boolean, suppose if you want to enable or disable like connection log and VPC flow log or something like that, you can use Boolean data type. Okay, so list, so whenever you want to use multiple values means like if you want to launch your resources in multiple availability zone like US East 1A, US East 1B, so you can use list data type there. So set, so set data type like creating unique tag, or this set data type does not repeat any value like so if you like giving the repeating the value, then set will automatically remove whatever value you are repeating. Okay, so you don't have to repeat any value whenever you are working and whenever you are using set data type in Terraform. Okay, so set are used for tagging resources and unique tag like defining which environment a resource belongs to, dev or prod. So map, another data type, that is map. Okay, so use case, environment configuration. So map are used for defining different configuration for different environment such as instance type or AMI IDs. Okay, so null data type, use case is optional parameters. So whenever you don't want to define any value to any resources, so you can use their null you can use their null data type. Okay, and whatever value you want in your Terraform configuration, you can directly define there. Okay, so let's go and let me open VS Code and let me show you with the example. So the first data type that we have, that is string. Okay, so mainly that we use data type to create variable to make our Terraform code more statics and dynamics. Okay, so let me create one variable like env environment, and the type will be a string, right? And the default, okay, default value will be prod. So this is the simple example of a string data type. Okay, so let's see the example of number data type. So let's create another variable like instance underscore count. Okay, so we are counting the instance and type will be number. Here we have number data type, and the default we can give 3 or something like this. Okay, we can write like this. We can use the we can use number data type like this. Okay, so we have another data type, that is Boolean. So Boolean data type is mainly used for enabling disabling features. Okay, so let's create another variable and name it enable underscore monitoring. Okay, and the type will be Boolean, and the default value, whatever, like by default you want to enable monitoring or not. Okay, according to your requirement you can define. So another data type we have, that is list. Okay, so create one variable another, that is availability zone, and type will be list, and this list will have a string. Okay, so and the default value is us-ist-1a. Okay, so let's just copy this and give a comma and use b, and we have to put this in double quotes. Okay, so we are using multiple availability zone here. First one is us-ist-1a and another is us-ist-1b. so this one is the type of list data type with the string. Okay, so what is the another data type that we have? That is set. Okay, so let's create another variable is sg, security group. Okay, and use type and the set, and this set data type will also have a string. Okay, so then after that we have to define the default value. So how we define security group? sg and the any random number. Okay, so let's just copy this and give comma after this and change the value. So here we don't have to repeat any value. Okay, so if you repeat any value then set will automatically remove that, but it's not ideal to repeat any value whenever you are using set data type. Okay, in Terraform. So another data type that we have is map. So let's see the example. Let's create variable and the name with tag. Okay, and we have to define the type and map. This map will also have a string. Okay, and default. So we have to define the env and the value will be like depth, and same way we have to define another key value here. So that will be honor, and honor is equal to whatever team you want to mention, you can do it. Okay, and when we want to, so this is the type of map data type. Okay, so apart from it, what we have, we have null data type, right? So let's see with the example. So let's create variable or anything like s3 underscore bucket, okay, and the type string, okay, and default you can just remove this and you can define null here, okay. So whenever you are calling this variable in your Terraform configuration, you can directly define the default value there. Instead of calling null, you can define whatever value you want there directly. So we have seen like a lot of data type. First one is string, another one is like number, and third one is like boolean, and this one is set, this one is this one is list, this one is set, and this one is map, this one is null. So there are two more data type that we have, okay. So let's understand that as well. So create one variable, okay, instance, okay, instance underscore config, okay, and here we are going to use type, and we have another data type that is object, right, object. So what we can do here, we can give any name, like see, we can give enable monitoring that this will have boolean value, sorry, okay, instance config and instance underscore type. So instance type, this will be number, and volume underscore size equal to instance type, that will be a string, and volume size, that will be number, okay. And then after that we have to call it using default section, okay. Enable monitoring false, or if you want to enable it, you can use true. Then after that instance type, okay, that is t2 dot micro, we can use like this, and volume size we can give 8 or something like this. So this object data type have all the like it have boolean, it have a string, it have number. So this object data type, it can have all the data type, whatever data type we want, we can use it here in the object data type directly, and we can use this in our Terraform configuration, okay. So this is the example of object data type. So we have another data type, that is tuple, okay. Let's create one more variable, okay, like resource underscore info, okay, and give the type is tuple, okay. And this tuple data type will also have boolean, string or number according to our requirement, okay. So first one, let me define a string here, then we have to separate it with comma, then we have to use number, and again we have to separate it with comma, and we have to use boolean. Okay, and we can directly call whatever this value we want. So we have to use default, and as you can see here we got the value. So a string that will be t2 dot micro, and number we want like 3 EC2 instance, and boolean we want false or true according to our requirement. Okay, so this is the tuple data type in Terraform. Okay, so this is the all data type that we can use in our Terraform or with our Terraform configuration. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, please ping me or comment on this video. I will happy to assist you on that. So, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.